Hey, hi, Peg here, and it's time for some more artist trading cards. These are 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3. And today I'm doing 4, 5, and 6. So I started off with this piece of Yupo that had been die cut. And I'd used the die cut on another ATC, but that doesn't mean that we can't use the piece that the die was cut from. So I'm adding a couple little butterflies, and I will trim out around the edge. So I'm going to select a quote, put it on there, trim out the butterflies, put the backer on this, and that will be number 4. Now, if you don't know anything about the Artist Trading Card a Day Challenge, this is from Art Joy Sharing. Chelsea and I run a Facebook group, and we have this challenge once a year for artist trading cards every day for the whole month of June. So if you want to join us, feel free to do so because we'd love to have you and we'd love to see what you're doing. So if you join the Facebook group, just remember to answer the questions so we know you're human. And then if you are following us on Instagram, I am Peg A. Robinson on Instagram, and you can use the hashtag ATCAD2021 and search for other artist trading cards by using that hashtag on Instagram. But we'd sure love to see you creating every day in June, and hopefully this will inspire you to pull out some of your stash and start making some artist trading cards. Artist trading cards are 2.5 by 3.5 inches, so they're just small pieces of art. They don't take much time. I like to do my backgrounds in a mass, so that I've got different backgrounds that I can pull out and use. And so I've got an assortment of things ready to go. And these are die cuts. I don't like the blue on there. It doesn't stand out enough, so I'm going to grab a red one. And I'm going to use my pokey tool. And I've actually cut 2 of these at once, so I need to separate them. And I'm going to use another die cut on this particular piece. And because it's too big for this piece, I'm going to end up cutting it down to make it fit. So let's speed things up a little bit, and then I'll be back. Okay, we having fun yet? I am. Anyway, this would be number 5, and I'm just finishing it up, and then we will move on to number 6. I did another alcohol ink background, and I'm just using my pen to sketch this out a little bit. This is Love is in the Air, and we've got a rocket ship going to the moon there, I guess. And so there's that alcohol ink background, and I'm just trying to draw a circle. Not really a good circle. And I'm going to make a little honeybee. Yeah. Guess love's in the air. We've got to have honeybees. I don't know. So I'm just sketching it out. And then I think, well, I need some yellow. I need some yellow on that bee's jacket. And trying to figure that out. I first went to a yellow marker, alcohol marker, and yeah, that wasn't cutting it. And then I went to a yellow paint marker, and that worked okay. But I've got these I don't know, tissue sayings from Dina Wakley. So I'm going to cut some of that out and put it on the little bee and finish this one out, and that will be the number 6 in my ATC a Day 2021. So be happy, folks. Be brave and make some ATCs. See you with the next ones.